Hi, my name is Dentistry. I am a owner dentist here at Stonebriar Family Dentistry.
Hi, my name is Danny Wilson. I'm the office manager here at Stonebriar Family Dentistry.
We are a general dentist practice in Frisco.
And I worked hand in hand with James and Chris throughout the process of the construction.
In summer of 2019, we had water damage due to a pipe burst next door. We had Excel come out and give us an estimate of the repairs that we needed to correct the damage.
They were great. They were available anytime we needed them or had any questions.
They were great in terms of working with my insurance to make sure that the insurance paid and there was no out-of-pocket cost for me. It was very important that they work around our schedule. It was very difficult to close down the practice. They work on weekends, after hours, and accommodated us and our schedule and work around it. And we are really happy with their service and the work that they did. We have an awesome new place now, redecorated, and we couldn't be happy.
Yeah, so initially, property owner was a little frustrated because the insurance company initially came out and they were saying they just need some minor repairs. And it's a big inconvenience. There's a lot of moving parts. It is a business, so we want to do our very best to mitigate any inconvenience, any loss of revenue. The upside is that once we did the procedure the right way, and we did communicate with the insurance company and get them to allocate the proper amount of funds, that the end result was going to be a facelift to the entire property with sheetrock, paint, flooring, carpet, bathroom remodel. So we're taking what was a very negative experience and turning it into something positive.